Are you a busy plant parent looking for low-maintenance indoor plants that can thrive even with minimal attention? Look no further. In this video, we'll reveal the top 10 indoor plants that actually thrive on neglect, making them perfect for those with a hectic schedule or a tendency to forget watering. These resilient plants not only add a touch of greenery to your space, but also require little care to flourish. From air-purifying qualities to unique foliage, these plants offer a range of benefits while being incredibly forgiving when it comes to neglect. Number 10 on our list is Philodendron Birkin. The Philodendron Birkin earns its spot at number 10 for its striking appearance and easy care nature. This plant features dark green leaves with pinstripes of creamy white, creating a visually appealing contrast. Its compact size makes it ideal for small spaces, and it thrives in low to medium light conditions. While it may require slightly more attention compared to other plants on our list, the Philodendron Birkin is still relatively low maintenance and forgiving of occasional neglect. Its unique variegation adds a touch of elegance to any room, making it a popular choice for indoor plant enthusiasts seeking a plant that is both beautiful and manageable. Number 9. Succulents. Succulents are resilient and have a diverse range of shapes and colors. These water-storing plants are known for their ability to thrive in arid conditions, making them perfect for busy plant parents who may forget to water regularly. With their unique textures and forms, succulents add a touch of charm to any indoor space. While they require infrequent watering and plenty of sunlight, they are relatively low maintenance compared to other plants. Succulents come in various varieties, from the classic Echeveria to the spiky Haworthia, offering a wide selection for plant enthusiasts to choose from. Their adaptability and striking appearance make succulents a popular choice for those looking to add a touch of nature to their home with minimal effort. By the way, we appreciate it if you support our channel by subscribing and liking this video. Number 8. Jade Plant. We love jade plant for its hardy nature and distinctive appearance. This succulent, also known as Crassula ovata, features thick, glossy leaves that resemble jade gemstones, giving it a unique and elegant look. Jade plants are renowned for their resilience and ability to thrive with minimal care, making them an excellent choice for busy plant parents. While they prefer bright, indirect light, they can tolerate lower light conditions as well. Compared to other plants in our list, jade plants may require slightly more attention in terms of watering frequency, but they are still relatively forgiving of neglect. With their symbolic association with prosperity and good luck, jade plants not only add beauty to your space, but also bring positive energy into your home. Number 7. Peace Lily. Who would not want the peace lily for its graceful beauty and air-purifying qualities? With its lush, dark green foliage and elegant white blooms, the peace lily adds a touch of serenity to any indoor space. This plant is known for its ability to thrive in low-light conditions, making it an excellent choice for areas with limited natural light. While it requires regular watering, the peace lily is forgiving of occasional neglect and can bounce back quickly with proper care. The peace lily may need a bit more attention in terms of moisture levels, but its stunning appearance and air-purifying properties make it a popular choice for plant enthusiasts seeking a low-maintenance yet visually appealing plant for their home. Number 6. Aloe vera. With its dual benefits of beauty and practicality, this succulent is not only visually appealing with its fleshy, spiky leaves, but also boasts a range of medicinal properties. Aloe vera is known for its soothing gel, which can be used to treat sunburns, skin irritations, and minor cuts. In addition to its healing properties, aloe vera is a low-maintenance plant that thrives on neglect, making it perfect for busy individuals. While it requires bright, indirect light and infrequent watering, aloe vera is relatively forgiving if you forget to water it occasionally. Nonetheless, aloe vera offers both aesthetic appeal and practical uses, making it a versatile addition to any indoor garden. Number 5. Cast iron plant. The cast iron plant secures the 5th position on our list for its exceptional durability and adaptability. As its name suggests, this plant is incredibly tough and can thrive in various conditions, including low light and neglect. With its dark green leathery leaves and upright growth habit, the cast iron plant adds a touch of elegance to any indoor setting. This plant is ideal for busy plant parents who may not have the time to provide constant care, as it can withstand periods of drought and low humidity. While it may grow slowly compared to other plants, the cast iron plant's ability to thrive in challenging environments makes it a reliable and low-maintenance choice for indoor greenery. Number 4. Spider plant. The spider plant is a popular choice for many because of its graceful appearance and air-purifying qualities. Known for its arching leaves that resemble spider legs, this plant adds a touch of whimsy to any indoor space. Spider plants are easy to care for and can thrive in various light conditions, making them versatile options for different environments. With their ability to produce baby plantlets, spider plants offer a unique propagation method that allows you to expand your plant collection effortlessly. Spider plants are forgiving of occasional neglect and can bounce back quickly with proper care. Their charming look and air-purifying properties make spider plants a popular choice for plant enthusiasts seeking a visually appealing and low-maintenance indoor plant. Number 3. Pothos. Pothos claims the third spot on our list for its versatility and resilience, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. With its heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines, pothos adds a touch of lush greenery to any space. Whether hanging from a basket or cascading down a shelf, this plant thrives in various light conditions, from low to bright indirect light, making it suitable for different areas of your home. Pothos is known for its air-purifying qualities, helping to improve indoor air quality. While it requires occasional watering, pothos is forgiving of neglect and can tolerate periods of drought. Pothos offers a balance of beauty and ease of care, making it a popular choice for both beginner and experienced plant parents. Number 2. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is great for its striking appearance and exceptional resilience. With its glossy dark green leaves that grow in a graceful, upright manner, the ZZ plant adds a touch of modern elegance to any indoor setting. This plant is known for its ability to thrive in low light conditions, making it perfect for spaces with limited natural light. The ZZ plant requires minimal watering and is highly tolerant of neglect, making it an ideal choice for busy individuals or those new to plant care. The ZZ plant offers a sleek and contemporary aesthetic while requiring even less maintenance, making it a top choice for those seeking a stylish yet low-maintenance indoor plant. Number 1. Snake plant. The snake plant takes the top spot on our list for its unbeatable combination of beauty and resilience. With its tall, sword-shaped leaves that come in various shades of green and yellow, the snake plant adds a touch of sophistication to any space. This plant is not only visually striking, but also incredibly low maintenance. Thriving in low-light conditions and requiring minimal watering, the snake plant is known for its air-purifying properties, making it a popular choice for indoor environments. The snake plant stands out for its ability to withstand neglect and adapt to various conditions while still looking effortlessly chic. For busy plant parents or those new to caring for indoor plants, the snake plant is a top choice for its beauty and ease of care. So, which one of these plants would you like to have in your home?